Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can essentially download for free Facebook Reels videos, okay? Let's launch the Reels tab. Let's try to find a video that we want to download on the Reels feed. First thing that you want to do, of course, is to click on the arrow under the comment section over here. Now you want to copy the link. After we copy the link from the actual Reels video, we want to go to Google and look for this particular website. It's called snapsafe.app. Over here, all we gotta do is to paste the link that we copied from the video on Facebook, and then you wanna click download. Usually doesn't take so long to process the video. It depends on the actual traffic and how many people are using the app at the same time, but it's already done. You have two options, two quality options, and if you have to render, you can select even more. But essentially, guys, this is how you can download any Facebook Reels for free using this app over here. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.